हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एंड आज हम बात कर रहे हैं फुटबॉल एंड बारिश के बारे में। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड टू वॉच द फुल एपिसोड। आगे बढ़ने से पहले आप सब्सक्राइब बटन दबा के बेल आइकन दबा देना ताकि जब भी मैं नया वीडियो लाऊं आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का एपिसोड। Hey guys, so as the World Cup season is back of football and there is rainy season back in India, so these two have a very deadly combination and ये दोनों का ऐसा है कि बारिश हुई तो फुटबॉल खेलने का ज़रूर मन करता है, एटलीस्ट मुझे। So it's very intriguing to me and I have a lot of memories to it. All my life I have been a defender come goalkeeper or just goalkeeper because of my weight and that. So I want to make a video which portrays something very special of my childhood memories, which is both related to rainy season and football, and let's see how it goes. As you know, I tried to make thumbnails of the sketches and the paintings what I will be doing. So here are some of the earlier version of the thumbnails I wanted to do. You can see I was not getting what I actually want, so my mind was wandering and I started drawing something else. That's something I have been doing when I don't get the exact idea out of my brain. I draw something else and then come back to what I was focusing on. So I came to this thumbnail and this I liked it and started sketching, but while sketching it in my sketchbook I found that something is missing, and there's something what my art sir had told long back, that don't draw any characters facing the back to the viewer unless there is some reason behind it. So I tend not to draw a completely back side of a character, maybe third quarter or something like that. So I deleted this, and since it's a rainy theme also with football, I thought it will be great if somebody slips, and not that I want him to slip, but we generally slips, and that is something will add dynamic to the painting. So I tried to sketch something like this, and this is the rough version of the final painting which we gonna paint today. So it looks pretty tight. I have to make it tight actually. So we'll jump back, and after making the line work we'll start coloring. So see you soon. let me know how did you feel the video was, and like, share and subscribe, and let me know in your comments your favorite team in this Russia World Cup. प्लीज़ वो रेड बटन दबा के सब्सक्राइब कर लेना मेरे वीडियो चैनल को, क्योंकि मैं हर वीक ट्राई करता हूँ नए तरीके से पेंट करने का। मैं क्या करता हूँ यार।